Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. Presenting new, essential, lookup tables for Luminar, Aurora HDR, Photoshop, and more. The more you use these new beautiful LUTs, the more uses you will find for them. Perfect to enhance landscapes, nature, and lifestyle photos, portraits, and much more. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These filters are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. This new set includes cinematic filters, black and white, portrait, moody, landscape, and more filters. All of these brilliant LUTs are a great way to make your photos look amazing. If some LUTs are too strong for your image, you can change their opacity and find the look that fits your photo best. Do not miss the chance to get new exclusive LUTs Essential Collection.